I just wanted to say this is the first time in my life I've done something like this. But I'm only doing it because it's what it takes. It's not what I'm doing, it's just what it takes. I don't really have much to say other than I can't wait to see you. Meet you in person. Bug, get off my arm. Okay, gotta go. Good night. Gotta go. Bugs.